Ever felt like saving money is an uphill battle? Like you take 2 steps forward, only to be dragged 3 steps back by unexpected expenses or the sheer temptation of that new gadget? You're not alone. The struggle to consistently save, to build that emergency fund, to finally get that deposit for a house, or even just to afford that dream vacation, it's a universal challenge. We all know we should save, but knowing and doing are 2 entirely different things, especially when life throws curveballs and our willpower occasionally takes a vacation of its own. But what if I told you there's a way to make saving not just easier, but almost entirely effortless? What if you could set up a system that automatically shuffles money away for you, without you even having to think about it? A system that works tirelessly in the background, building your financial security brick by automated brick. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're diving deep into the world of automated savings, specifically using a fantastic tool that's revolutionized how millions manage their money, Monzo. We're going to explore how Monzo's smart features can transform your saving habits from a constant chore into a seamless, almost invisible process. This isn't about rigid budgeting that makes you feel deprived. It's about leveraging technology to make your money work harder for you, freeing up your mental energy for the things that truly matter. So, if you're ready to say goodbye to financial stress and hello to a future where saving is simply done, then stick around. This video is going to change the way you think about your money. Let's start with the fundamental principle behind automating your savings: pay yourself first. It's a concept championed by financial gurus for decades, but often hard to implement manually. The idea is simple: before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you treat yourself to that coffee, you set aside a portion of your income for your future self. In the past, this meant physically moving money between accounts, setting calendar reminders, and relying on sheer discipline. With Monzo, pay yourself first becomes an automatic reflex built into your banking. The cornerstone of Monzo's automated savings features lies in its pots. Think of pots as virtual sub-accounts within your main Monzo account, each with its own dedicated purpose. Instead of one big pot of money where everything gets muddled, you can create separate pots for specific goals: an emergency fund pot, a holiday pot, a car repair pot, a house deposit pot, even a treat yourself pot. This immediately brings clarity and intention to your savings. When you see a pot labeled Dream Vacation, it's far more motivating than just a generic savings account. Now, how do we automate these pots? Monzo offers several powerful tools to do just that, and we're going to break down each one. First up, and perhaps the simplest, is scheduled payments into pots. This is your classic set-it-and-forget-it automation. Once you've identified a savings goal and how much you can realistically contribute to it each month, or week, or even daily, you can set up a recurring payment from your main Monzo account directly into a chosen pot. For example, if you get paid on the last Friday of the month, you can set up an automatic transfer of £100 to your emergency fund pot for the very next Monday. This means the money is moved before you even have a chance to spend it. It's truly paying yourself first. The beauty here is its flexibility. You can adjust the amount, the frequency, and even pause it whenever you need to, all within a few taps in the app. No more remembering to transfer money manually. Monzo handles it for you. Next, we have the incredibly popular and surprisingly effective roundups. This is where Monzo truly shines in making saving feel effortless. Imagine you buy a coffee for £2.70. With roundups enabled, Monzo will automatically round up that transaction to the nearest whole pound, in this case, £3, and tuck the extra 30 pence into a designated pot. Bought something for £15.25? 75 pence goes into your savings. While individual roundups might seem small, they accumulate remarkably quickly. It's like finding loose change in your sofa cushions, but on a much larger scale and completely automated. Many Monzo users report being genuinely surprised by how much they've saved using this feature without even noticing the small deductions. It's a powerful example of how tiny, consistent actions lead to significant results over time. You choose which pot the roundups go into, so you can direct these micro savings towards a specific goal, like your holiday fund or even just a general savings pot to accumulate for a rainy day. Beyond these core features, Monzo offers even more sophisticated automation possibilities through if this then that, integrations and its own Monzo Plus/premium features. For those who want to get a bit more advanced, IFT allows you to create custom applets that connect Monzo to hundreds of other online services and devices. While it might sound technical, it's actually quite intuitive. For example, you could create an applet that says, if the weather forecast for tomorrow is sunny in my city, then transfer £5 from my main account into my summer fun pot. Or, if I hit my daily step goal on my fitness tracker, then transfer £1 into my fitness reward pot. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. This level of customization allows you to create unique saving triggers that align perfectly with your lifestyle and goals, turning everyday activities into saving opportunities. It might take a little initial setup, but once configured, these IFT applets run silently in the background, adding another layer of automation to your financial life. Then there are specific features within Monzo Plus and Premium that elevate the automation game. While these are paid tiers, the benefits for serious savers can be significant. For instance, interest on pots means your savings aren't just sitting there, they're actively growing. This compound interest effect, even at modest rates, can add up over time, giving your savings an extra boost without any effort on your part. Think of it as your money earning money, automatically. Another great feature is virtual cards for pots. This allows you to allocate specific spending categories to particular pots using a dedicated virtual card. For example, you could have a groceries pot and a virtual card linked only to that pot. When you pay for groceries with that card, the money comes directly from your groceries pot. This helps you stick to specific budgets for different spending areas, further streamlining your financial management and preventing overspending in certain categories, which indirectly aids your overall savings goals. The key to successfully automating your savings with Monzo, or any system for that matter, isn't just setting it up once and forgetting about it entirely. It's about a mindful approach to your finances before you automate. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.